Welcome back to FX Chart Analysis, the one channel dedicated to advanced price action and institutional trade logic. What if I told you that most of your trading guesswork is unnecessary? That the market constantly reveals its next major move through a sequence of high probability events? Today, we're moving beyond basic setups and into the realm of professional trade mapping, a structured process to stack probabilities in your favor before you even place an order. For expert traders, the edge isn't in a single perfect indicator. It's in the confluence. High probability trade mapping is our systematic approach to identifying zones where multiple technical and structural factors align with institutional order flow. We start with the macro, identifying the clear, higher time frame trend and key value areas, like weekly highs and lows or significant liquidity pools. This is our landscape. Next, we drill down to the operational time frame, seeking convergence. We map out major support and resistance, not as thin lines, but as zones. We then look for the alignment of price action within these zones, perhaps a bullish order. Block on a pullback into a daily demand area that also coincides with a fair value gap on the 4-hour chart. This is the first layer of our map. The second layer is trigger confirmation. We don't just buy the zone, we wait for price to show us intent. This could be a specific candlestick pattern, strong bullish engulfing bar, a pin bar rejecting the zone, or a short-term structure break confirming momentum is returning in the direction of our confluence. The final layer is precise risk management. Our stop loss is placed beyond the mapped zone, invalidating the trade thesis if hit. Our take-profit targets are predefined at subsequent technical junctions, often using a risk-reward ratio that starts at 1-2-2. This isn't about hope. It's about executing a pre-visualized plan where every component from entry to exit is defined by the map we drew based on pure price. The power of this method is in its discipline and objectivity. It removes emotion because you are simply following a blueprint that the market itself provided. Your job is to map, wait, and act. If you found this deep dive into trade mapping valuable, solidify your edge. Hit that like button. It helps the algorithm share this with other serious traders. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next advanced session, where we'll deconstruct a real trade map from this week's price action. Your questions and insights are what drive this community. Drop your thoughts or your own mapping approach in the comments below. Until next time, trade deliberately. This is FX Chart Analysis.